Traders, PANW just released the earnings. I don't have the report, but I'm updating as everybody's live in here right now. And we have some of the put options. We rallied up and sold the calls before they released the earnings. And now we get a chance to buy the dips. We'll update it here momentarily on Palo Alto Networks, one of our favorites. Buy the dips. Here we go, PANW printing at 293 just momentarily. I haven't got the full report. I'll update everybody, but we do have the put options. We bought the $300 puts very cheap, and we're trading below it right now. Revenues were in line only, traders, and we bought the $300 puts just in case there was an accident, and we bought them at $5.50 to protect our trade. Now, they beat on the top line, they beat on the bottom line, and revs are in line, and that is why we're not gapping up. But we will buy the dips again tomorrow morning on the open and trade this. It is the best of the breed.